I'm looking for Mr. Frog. Can you see him? Is he on the sofa? No. Is he on the train? No. Is he under the tree? Yes. There he is. Hello, Mr. Frog. What have you got? Oh, it's a balloon, a yellow balloon. Are you going to blow it up, Mr. Frog? Yes. Oh dear, I think Mr. Frog needs some help. Watch carefully, this is how you do it. You need to blow very hard. Then you need to hold onto the neck of the balloon, because if you don't, all the air rushes out. Mr. Frog says he knows how to blow up the balloon now. Well done, Mr. Frog. It's very big. Oh dear, did you forget to hold on to the neck, Mr. Frog? Yes, but it was fun. Now Mr. Frog knows how to blow up a balloon. He said he's going to blow lots and lots up. So it's time to say goodbye and leave Mr. Frog enjoying his balloons. Bye.